Your multi-purpose SOS Skin Fix. A 10-in-1 hydrator gel for an 8-hour sleep effect to the skin, with advanced stem cell technology. The Stemcell Magic Gel is a multi-use skin hydrator and repairer which can be used in a magnitude of ways, from an intensive moisturizer to a night mask or a makeup primer. This product is inspired by the trend of skincare multitaskers, the must-have staple which works hard to give you many results. The lightweight cream gel hybrid formula imparts intense moisture deep into the skin. The Bio-Protect complex along with PhytoCellTech Alp Rose stem cell technology helps fight against environmental stressors by retaining skin's hydration balance. Skin tightening complex smooths, tightens, and blurs the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, for skin that looks energized with a dewy glow finish to the skin. PhytoCellTech Alp Rose, anti-wrinkle effect, boosts epidermal regeneration and increases skin stem cell vitality. Skin Tightener ST, immediate skin tightening effect whilst also leaving the skin feeling fresh and smooth. Pronalen Bio-Protect, protection against pollutants, heavy metals, cigarette smoke, car exhaust. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.